Hey everybody, it's Silver Seeker, and today we have a local silver unboxing. Now, yes, it's in a $500 half box, and I'll be honest with you, this is my $500 half box, just an empty box, with the silver in it that I picked up locally. I wanted to call this an unboxing, but it wasn't actually in a box. But I actually picked up a local deal, which I'm really excited to share with you. And it's always good to shop around and look for local stuff because sometimes you just find some really, really cool things. What's in here is something that I'm usually nervous about buying locally because, in fact, I'm going to show you in just a second as we open it up. What's in here, well, this is actually the bag I picked it up in. As you can see, there's pandas. But take a look at this, guys. The person never actually that bought these, and then I got them from, the majority of these were never taken out of their original APMEX holders. So they actually got these from APMEX and left them in the APMEX plastic bags. So there's 21 ounces total here, and some of them were opened up. Well, this one, you know, has a little tag on it. So we got a 2019 Chinese Panda BUN capsule. So some of these were, you know, obviously opened and taken out, but the majority of them were just left in their original APMEX plastic. And this one here can obviously be replaced with a fake, but these can't. I mean, this is sealed APMEX packaging, and this person had bought all of these. I don't know when he bought them, probably over time. This one is dated 12/1 of 19, and you know, I don't know. He bought, this one's also dated 12/1 of 19. Now that's when they packaged them at APMEX. That's not actually when he ordered them, I assume. I don't think that they date them the second that they ship them to you. They probably pre-package these, put them in the bins. But if you see all these, oh, here's one. So this one right here is 3/4/19. But I imagine he probably ordered these a year or two ago and decided to cash in with silver prices up. And, well, I know he decided to cash in with silver prices up, but I mean, I imagine he probably bought them a year or two ago. You know, maybe in 2020. But anyway, lots of really cool stuff. So let's kind of get into it and show you what we have. This one right here. Now, we've had all of these on the channels before, but it's just cool to be able to pick stuff up locally. And right here, we do have a really cool 1 ounce silver. This is the Aztec calendar. I love these Aztec calendar rounds. They're really awesome. So we picked up some 2019 pandas, which you guys have already seen. Really awesome. We picked up a 2018 Kookaburra. So I've had those on the channel, but it's been a few years since I've had these. And this one, as you can see, is not in the APMEX packaging. Now, we also picked up, take a look, we have some 2017 pandas. These are actually sold out on APMEX right now. I just checked to see what they were selling them for, and they didn't have them. They were also out of the 2019s, by the way. So we have this right here. This is a 2019 Australian koala. So this one's still in the original APMEX, you know, plastic. And I'm not a big fan of the APMEX plastic, don't get me wrong. But the fact that it's in the APMEX plastic still, it's crazy. He never even took them out. I don't know. I would have taken them out. Every time I get APMEX orders, I always take them out of this plastic. But we have a 2017 Panda. We have, this is the 30th anniversary Kookaburra. So what's really cool about this is on the reverse, you have the original 1990 Kookaburra design. So that's actually what the original 1990 Kookaburra looks like, which I actually have one of those in my collection, the 90, and then you have the new design on the front. Those are really cool. We have a John Wick. So not only have we had these on the channel, but we've had these on the channel recently. These are the 1 ounce silver John Wick Continentals. Very cool. Here we have another 2017 Panda. This is another this is a 2019 Kookaburra, my apologies. Yeah, so we got the 2019 Kook. We have, this is another 2019 Panda, so that one is in one of their packages like this, and then they put the sticker on it. And then here we have another 2017 Panda. This one right here, this is a 2020 Koala. So I've had those on the channel pretty recently. Another 2020 Kookaburra, 30th anniversary. Here we go, this is 2019 Australia Year of the Pig. So interesting. We have, it looks like another 30th anniversary Kook, another 2017 Panda, a couple more, so 3 more 2017 Pandas, and then finally, to finish this off, we have another 2019 Panda. So a total of 21 ounces that I picked up in this local pickup. But I mean, the point of this is that it's always good to shop around locally because you never know what you can find local. It doesn't always have to come offline, and it's always best to support your local shops whenever you have a chance. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. We are on the road to 50,000 subscribers, so be sure to go down below and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. It will definitely help us out, and we will see you in the next one. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I did leave a video above you can check out if you haven't seen it yet. I also want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to my awesome channel supporters scrolling right there on the right hand of the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.